भेजी है उसमें से है ना सर
यस
आपने जो पीडीएफ फाइल भेजी है उसमें से हम लोग को पेयर बुक में लिखने का है।
नो
गुड मॉर्निंग
तो
पेपर
सर
वर्क
कितना लिखने का है
I told you not to write in
सर?
your fair book. I'll tell you. Yes.
पेयर बुक में नहीं लिखने
सर
का है ना?
No.
सर हमने
ओके
फेयर बुक
सर।
में लिख दिया मैंने।
Just give me a few minutes. Let me take the attendance and then we will discuss about it, right? So just those who are
ओके
present, can you please write down your name and roll number and do not repeat your name and roll number again and again, only one time.
सर आप एक बार नाम बोल दो ना, किसकी प्रेजेंट हो गई है। सर
Yes, I am repeating the roll numbers. If there is
ओके।
anyone missing, please let me know. Roll number
मॉर्निंग
three.
सर।
Good morning. Can you all please turn off your mics? Let me speak the roll numbers to take the attendance. Roll number 3,
ओके
42, 20, 22, 4, 17, 5, 16, 35, 10, 39, 14. Roll number 6, 36, 27, 10, 25, 13, 11, and 12. Is there anyone else
Sir,
missing?
26.
नो सर।
Sir, 25.
I think you haven't heard.
Nakvi Tamanna Zainab.
What is the roll
26.
number? 26. And
No,
25 is
26.
already there.
26 present.
Okay, Tamanna, I got it. I wrote it present. Anyone else remaining?
सर रोल नंबर 10 प्रेजेंट।
नो सर।
Okay, yes, present. Now I think it's enough. We can start with the class now. I told you if you have already mentioned your name and roll number, please do not repeat it. There is no need for you to repeat it, right? So, shall we start with the class now?
सर
Yes.
हमने ना फेयर बुक में लिख दिया। चलेगा आप सर?
It's okay if you have written in fair book, no problem. Does anyone else would like to ask anything?
सर आपने होमवर्क दिया था वो आप कैसे चेक करोगे?
Okay, good question. I think I am doing most of the sums here, and your notes are also completed up till exercise 12.2. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
यस
So
सर।
what we will do is we'll complete this exercise 12.3 and then a 12.4, and then I'll ask your notebooks to be submitted at school.
Okay, sir.
ओके सर।
So
सर आप कब पेयर बुक चेक करोगे?
I will tell you the dates. I will
Sir.
complete.
सर ऑनलाइन में आपने जो जो लिखा है वो भी चेक करोगे ना?
You have to use, no, you don't have to write it in your notebook. That was for practice.
सर
तो
Yes.
सर आप जितना आपने क्लास में लिखा है
अगर
उतना ही
स्कूल
लिखे ना?
Beta, I will tell you
आप
which part I will check.
कहो तो जो स्कूल ना खुली तो आपके ग्रुप में व्हाट्सएप में भेजना ना।
Can you repeat it?
सर अगर स्कूल नहीं खुली और आप चेक करने का बोलो तो आपके व्हाट्सएप नंबर में भेजना है कि पीडीएफ?
No, you have to submit. We will arrange for your parents to come to school or someone to come to school and submit your notebooks.
ओके।
No PDF, right? It has to be
आपके
handwritten.
सब्जेक्ट ही ना सिर्फ खाली?
Only exercise. Happy?
Yes.
Okay. Now, do you have any other questions, or should we start now?
No sir.
Oh, last time we did question number 5. Am I right? I told you to try question
Yes.
number 5. Have you all tried
Yes,
it?
sir.
Okay. Now we'll move on to question number 6. I'll do two sums from question number 6 and I'll ask you to do two questions from question number 6. So please take out your textbook and rough book.
सर मैं फेयर बुक में कर रही हूँ। हाँ?
It's okay. Has everyone brought their textbooks?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I will do two sums from question number 6.
Okay.
Question number 2 and question number 4 I'll do here. Question number 1 and question number 3 you have to try. So first see how we can solve this one. Question number 6, main question number 6 and the third question. The first question is 3x plus 2 plus 5x minus 7. And the value of x is given 2. Is it visible to everyone?
Yes.
So we are already given the value of x is 2. We have to find the value of this expression. What we will do is we will simply put 2 in place of
સર
x.
સ્ક્રીન નથી દેખાતી, માફત દેખાય છે. સર
Is it visible?
5x -7 સુધી જ દેખાય છે, આગળનું નથી દેખાતું કાંઈ.
I think you need to refocus. I can see the complete screen. Is there anyone else also facing the same problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, visible.
Now can you see this?
નો
Screen
સર.
is half only.
સર કાલે હાફ જ આવતી હતી.
No, sir. Full
x
screen is there.
છે ત્યાં
No
સુધી
sir,
દેખાય
your
છે.
screen is full.
સર આગળનું નથી દેખાતું, ખાલી પાછળનું જ દેખાય છે.
Okay, then try adjusting your screen. I think there is no problem with screen here. I can even see the stand and the part of table also.
Sir, not this side. The side of जो आपने x प्लस 2 लिखा है ना, उससे पहले वाला आपने कुछ नंबर लिखा है वो दिख ही नहीं रहा. हमने कितना
हाँ,
एडजस्ट
सर,
किया,
कितना है?
जूम
मेन
किया.
आंसर ही नहीं दिख रहा है.
Now can you see it?
3 है वो.
नो सर.
नो सर.
Still no.
सर दिख रहा है पूरा.
अभी
Sir,
3
it's clear. नहीं दिख रहा है सर.
सर दिख रहा है.
Okay, give me a minute. Let me readjust it.
सर अब तो जरा भी नहीं दिख रहा है।
सर अभी नहीं दिख रहा है, 3 तक ही दिख रहा है।
सर सब दिख रहा है।
एक चीज बोलो सर।
सर सब दिख रहा है।
Repeat now.
सर
Okay, can you see it now or no?
यस
3 तक, 3 के सर 3 के पीछे वाला दिख रहा है, आगे वाला नहीं दिख रहा है।
Okay, who has this problem? Send your roll number to me. Send me the roll number who has the problem so that I can find out what is actually the problem. And you can send a screenshot also.
सर योर वॉइस इज ब्रेकिंग। सर दिख रहा है सर।
Okay, we'll try to solve it and I'll focus it once again. We'll put the value of x is equal to 2, 3, 2 plus 2 plus 5 multiplied by 2 minus 7. Now first we'll try to solve this one. 3, 4, 2 plus 2 is 4. And 5 to the 10 minus 7. Now we get 12 plus 10 minus 7. 22 minus 7. Answer is 15.
जो तुम करवा रहे हो सेकंड वन है ना?
Yes, question number 6. Main question number 6. Second one. Sorry, not third one. Second one. My mistake. Now tell me, is it visible now?
यस
Okay. Does anyone has any doubt in this question?
सर समझ में नहीं आया।
Which part, beta?
थोड़ी नीचे रखो ना।
Which part did you face the problem?
सर ये अभी जो करा है ना वो।
Okay. See, what we are trying to do is we have to place value of x is equals to 2. And our expression is 3 multiply x plus 2 plus 5 x minus 7.
7
Now, in place of x, we have to write 2. So we wrote 2 here. And here also we have x. So we wrote 2 here. Now, if you add this
Yes.
thing, it becomes 4. And 4 3 is 12. And
12.
5 2 is 10. Minus 7. Now 4 3 is 12 plus 10 minus 7 we get 15.
ओ हाँ सर समझ में आ गया।
Okay, I'll do the fourth one also.
सर अभी दिख रहा है।
Okay, good. The fourth question is 4 multiplied by 2x minus 1 plus 3x plus 11. Again, the value of x remains same. The value of x is 2. So 4 3 multiplied by 2 plus 11. 4 remains as it is. 2 2 is 4 minus 1 plus 3 2 is 6 plus 11. Now 4 minus 1 is 3.
सर ऊपर करो ना थोड़ा।
Just let me write the answer. 12, oh sorry, 12 plus 6 plus 11. Add all these three. Now is it visible?
यस सर 2 मिनट रुको हम लिख डाल
I will send the PDF. There is no need for you to write it. Just listen what I'm saying. Have you understood what I've done here?
नो सर ये नहीं समझ में आया.
Okay. Again, we have to use the value of x is equals to 2. Now, if we put the value of, we have this expression 4, and there is a bracket 2x minus 1 plus 3x plus 11. Now, in place of x, we have to write 2 and minus 1 as it is. 3 multiplied by 2 plus 11. And the second step would be 4 as it is. 2 is 4 minus 1. So we get 4 minus 1 is 3. And this 3 multiplied by 2 becomes 6 plus 11. Now in the next step, the 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 3s are 12 and 6 as it is, 11 as it is. So if we add all these three, we get 29.
हो गया सर, समझ में आ
Now anyone has any doubt in it?
नो
सर कैन यू
Yes.
नो सर
आप अपनी सर आप ये पूरा पेज दिखा दो ना.
It is difficult to fit in the screen, the complete page. You can see the sum, this one. Is it visible?
Yes.
Yes. Now try question number 1 and 3.
ओके सर
By this method, try question
सर
number
आप
1
इसकी
and 3.
पीडीएफ भेज दोगे ना.
Beta, I will send the PDF. Why are you repeating the same question again and again? You don't have to worry about the PDF. You just need to understand what I am explaining here. Have you understood how do we do this sum?
Yes.
That's it. That is the goal. Now try question number 1 and 3. Main question number 6, 1 and 3. Value of x remains 2. X is equals to 2.
Sir, I got the answer.
If you have got the answer, please keep it with you. Let others complete and then we will do it.
सर आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
I know.
Sir,
Yes.
in question number 6, question number 1 and 3 can't understand.
Try. Have you understood the methods that I have used here?
Yes.
Then try. At least try.
Sir, answer is not coming.
It's okay. We don't need an
मेरा
answer.
आंसर आ गया.
We need you to try.
सर आंसर आ गया.
Okay, keep it with you. I'll explain. But let others complete.
Sir,
Yes.
आपकी आवाज सही से नहीं आ रही है.
I'm not speaking
Sir.
at this moment. Yes.
Sir, question
Yes.
number 6 का first और third करना है ना?
Yes, question number 6, first and third.
सर अब आप करवाओ ना।
Has everyone done? Tried?
Yes.
Okay. This is how we do question number 6, first and third one. You can have a look at it. Let me know those who have doubt. Is it visible?
Yes.
Sir, 2 minutes.
Sir, in first one, how 12 is come?
No, first one, 4 threes are 12. 4 multiplied by minus 3. We are not subtracting here because there is a sign of multiplication in between. So it becomes 4 threes 12. And there is a sign of subtraction, so we put minus here. So 9 minus 12 is minus 3.
Okay, sir.
But sir, 4 is also minus and 4 is plus.
So minus multiplied by plus is what?
Minus, sir, in here the sign of 4 is plus only now.
Yes, sign of 4 is plus, but we are doing multiplication. We are not adding it.
Yes, sir.
सर इधर आपने 9 और 12 लिखा है ना, वहाँ 10 और 10 माइनस 13 नहीं आता आंसर।
No matter. Look, 2 plus 7 is 9.
हाँ
Because this 4 is in multiplication with this term, so we cannot add it with this 3. First, we will solve this one, and then we will add it with last digit. So we have 2 plus 7 is 9, and then 4 is 12. 9 minus 12 is minus 3.
Sir, in second one, the 5 is not come.
Why?
You wrote in third line 5 and in
हो गया
fifth line you not wrote the 5.
So 5 multiplied by 0 is what?
0.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we are moving on to the next question, question number 7. I'll do question number in 7. I'll do question number 3 and 5. You can try 1, 2, and 4.
Okay.
Question number 7. It states value of x is equals to 3, value of a is equals to minus 1, and value of b is equals to minus 2. You have to use it in this expression. First one, 3x minus 5 minus x plus 9. Now, what we have to do, we have to use 3 in place of x. So next step would be 3 multiplied by 3 minus 5 minus 3 plus 9. 9, 3 3s are 9 minus 5 minus 8 plus 9. What do we get? 9 plus 9 is 18. Or you can simply make a pair. 9 minus 5 is 4. And minus 8 plus 9 is plus
Sir,
1.
how 8 is come?
Which one?
How 8 is come?
Third line.
Yes.
Okay. See, 3 3s is 9.
Yes.
And minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8.
तो सर
Okay,
आपने
sorry.
पहले क्यों 5 लिखा है
I
9 के बाजू में?
my mistake. My mistake. Sorry. We'll do this step again. 3 3 is 9 minus 5 minus 3 plus 9. So 9 minus 5 is 4. And minus 3 plus 9 is plus 6. So we get answer 10. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. The next question is question number 7. Third one.
सर सेकंड होमवर्क में
No, you have to write it now. But let me first explain third one and then you can try second one. 3a plus 5 minus 8a plus 1. Now value of a is given minus 1. So what we will do is 3 minus 1 plus 5 minus 8 minus 1 plus 1. So 3 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 3. 3 ones are 3 and the sign of subtraction. Plus 5 as it is. Now 8 multiplied by minus 1 is 8. 8 ones are 8. But there is a sign of subtraction here and here. So minus into minus, it becomes plus. Plus 1. Next step is add these two. This one and this one. Minus 3 plus 5 is 2. And 8 plus 1 is 9. So we get 11. Does anyone has any doubt in it?
No. Now.
No.
Sir, you subtract 5 minus 3.
सर ऊपर
Yes.
वाला दिखाओ ना.
5 minus 3 is 2 because 5 is positive and 2 is negative. Now try question number.
सर ऊपर वाला दिखाओ.
Okay, 2, 4 and 5. Try it. Try it.
सर आंसर आ गया.
Okay, those who got the answer.
Sir, 1 minute.
सर अब आप करवाओ ना।
Have you tried it?
Sir, remaining, please wait.
I will do it, but have you tried?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, has everyone tried it?
Yes.
Okay. So I hope you have understood how do we do it. We have to just place the value of x is equals to 3, a is equals to -1, and b is equals to -2. So here is the sum. You can cross check your answers. Is it visible? Does anyone has any problem
Yes,
with
sir,
this?
right.
वन दिखाओ ना.
Have you written the second question?
सर 2 मिनट.
You don't have to write the answer. I'll say share the PDF. You can do it later. But have you checked your answer? Is it correct or incorrect?
Correct, sir.
The first answer is -6. Second one is 22. And the last one is 2. Does anyone has any doubt in this up till question number 7?
No.
No.
8 one is simple. In place of z, you have to write 10. And second one is in place of t, you have to write -10.
Sir,
Yes.
first you start this exercise with examples, so we have to write the examples also.
Yes, if you have space, you can write the examples. Otherwise, simply exercise. These questions are for practice. Example is for practice.
Okay, sir.
लास्ट का आंसर 2 आया है.
Which one?
लास्ट 5th वन.
Yes, answer is 2.
सर सर अगर हम बुक में एग्जाम्पल्स नहीं लिखेंगे तो चलेगा?
It's okay. But next time, you have to write the examples.
सर 5th वन नहीं समझ में.
ओके.
Which one?
वन.
Okay, in place of A, you have to write -1, and in place of B, you have to write -2. So here 2 into -1 minus 2B. In place of B, we have to write -2. And at last, in place of A, we write it -1. Now, 2 ones are 2, but there is a sign of subtraction, so we wrote subtraction here, -2. And here there are two signs. Both of them are subtraction. So minus multiplied by minus becomes plus. So 2 twos are 4, and that is of +4. There is already -4, -5, and -1. Now, 2 plus 4, -4, +5, -1. Now, +4 minus 4, it becomes 0. And -2 plus 5 -1. So -2 plus 5 gives you +3, and +3 -1 gives you 2. I have done direct calculation here, but you can use one more step. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
you can try in the next lecture. You can try at home question number 8, 9, and 10. They are simple, same method, same pattern, no changes. Only variable changes. The method remains same.
सर आप
In
नेक्स्ट
case
लेक्चर में करवाओगे?
I will show it to you, but you have to try it.
सर आप इसकी पीडीएफ भेज दोगे?
I will
सर
send the
फिर से एक
PDF.
बार
I will send the PDF, but you have to try at your home, practicing.
ओके सर. ओके सर.
Okay.
सर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में आप 8, 9, 10 करवाओगे?
हाँ सर.
I will send the PDF of 8, 9, 10. I will send the PDF of
Bye,
all the
sir.
questions, but that does not mean that you will not try. Simply copying it from PDF and completing your notebook is not the aim. You have to practice. Okay. Any other doubt for today?
No.
That's it. That's it for the day. Thank you, all of you. Now you can log out.
Okay, bye, sir.
ओके बाय सर.
बाय.
All of you can log out now.
ओके सर. बाय.